Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one, the only Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. You guys know I'm an absolute bull for this stock, but we're going to be breaking down what's going on, answering that main question of is now the best time to invest in it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you're buying Tesla. Let me know down below right now. On top of that exciting news, we are now doing a brand new swing trading course where we talk about how I find stocks, my strategies, my mindset, how I trade. There's live streams, there's quizzes, there's lectures. It's a one-stop shop for all of your trading needs. Make 2024 your year. Check it out down below. Let's dive into this, guys. So what's going on with Tesla? So Tesla this past year has had an actually decent year, right? As we look at the chart, it's pretty much gone from about $186 all the way up to almost $300. It's sold off down, to $220. It kind of traded. We had this amazing move where the stock exploded up and then just kind of fell flat. So what's going on? Well, recently Tesla did announce some stuff. They did announce pretty much their total 2023 deliveries and production rise. So pretty much what it said is that it manufactured nearly 495,000 vehicles in quarter four. It delivered more than 484,000 vehicles, which is great. The total vehicle deliveries in 2023 rose 38%, which is great. Now, one of the issues that we've seen with Tesla that a lot of investors have been worried about is vehicle deliveries. But honestly, what Tesla has done well is they did cut their price on a bunch of their vehicles, which is making it more intriguing for people that are looking to buy a car to buy Tesla because they cut the price. Now, what happens when you cut the price is that comes from something called the profit margin. If you're looking to buy a car and a car company cuts the price, you're more intrigued to buy that car. But where does that price cut come from? It comes from the profit that Tesla would have normally made. And that's kind of why we've had a little volatility, but it's great that they're doing this. But anyways, it's up 38% from a year earlier to about 1.8 million. While production jumped 35%, almost to 1.85 million Tesla added. The electric vehicle manufacturing giant said it will report pretty much quarter four results after market close January 24. So what's going on? Well, that's what's going on. Now, answering that main question of should you invest into Tesla? So for me, Tesla it's a giant. It's more than just an electric car company. It's an AI stock, technology company, software, data stock. Now, as we look at, some of these vehicle deliveries up on the upper right-hand screen, you guys will see that we've had a nice solid upward trend in quarter three of 2023, Q3 of 23. We did have a little slowdown, which in the grand scheme of things isn't that big of a deal. I know a lot of investors get worried about that, but you guys will see that this thing got annihilated and soon rebounded. One thing with investing is any reaction in the stock market is often an overreaction. And that's kind of what we've seen. It soon rebounded. For all of you guys that bought below, these support lines, congrats. As we continue to go down, you guys will see that their revenue is up 8%. Their operating income is down 52%. Net income is down 48%. What we're seeing with Tesla is, yes, they've done a great job with their deliveries, staying afloat. But at the end of the day, Tesla right now, in my opinion, the only thing that they're not doing well on is going to be their profit margin. All of that cash flow, all of that stuff is going to be down just because they've cut they cut the vehicle prices. So they've done a great job delivering and, keeping people interested in the product, but they haven't made more per car. All right. Should you buy Tesla? So for me, like I said, Tesla, it's more than just a car manufacturer. It's an AI stock. It's a technology company. And I believe looking back in 2 to 5 years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought more of Tesla stock. Tesla just released their new Cybertruck, which is going to be a huge competitor with Ford's F-150. It's also, which is the most sold truck in the United States. On top of that, what we're seeing is Tesla slowly separating itself from other electric car companies. You know, we saw Rivian today. Rivian got annihilated, which is another company that makes electric vehicles, but they got annihilated today. Honestly, because of their earnings, they didn't perform well, which caused sell-off. So, you know, Tesla is doing a great job, but I think this whole sector right now, the whole automotive space, is going to be a little volatile. Anytime you have high interest rates, it's going to cause a lot of people to sit on the sidelines than try to buy a car right now. You know, so that's what I think is going on. On top of that, you know, if I was going to invest heavy into Tesla, what I would do is try to buy it near and around these support lines. You know, at anything under 227, in my opinion, is a great deal. As we continue to go and look at, you know, some other information here as we go to down here, you guys will see it's kind of trading in this neutral zone. So it's not, you know, bearish, but it's not bullish. Just kind of right in that middle ground, which could be a good average price, you know, for Tesla. But, you know, I think for me, Tesla is a buy. A lot of analysts are giving this thing a mixed rating, anywhere from a buy, hold, and sell. It's almost about break even, but for me, I think it's a great play. I think looking back in a couple of years, we're going to be wishing we would have bought it. And yeah, you know, you guys will see we do have some support here at about 227, resistance at about 248. So that's what I think is going on with it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.